What's up, team? Fullest. This is again Amy. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to Open Canal. So today I'm here to do this really nice, chic, glam makeup look tutorial for you guys. Not using no any other eyeshadow but the NYX cosmetic eyeshadow palette. I love this eyeshadow palette. You can create so many look with this eyeshadow palette. So this palette is what I use to create this look. I hope you all will like this video. If you guys do, please like, comment, subscribe. Leave a comment in the comment box and tell me what you guys think of this look. I really love it. I love this makeup. It's so beautiful. And yes, I fixed some eyelashes. It was a struggle, but I did it. So I would love to know your opinions. And guys, let's jump into tutorial. Jump into tutorial. I'm going to use the NYX eyeshadow palette. I really love this eyeshadow palette. It's one of my favorites. It's very beautiful. So I'm going to use only three shades in this palette. I'm going to use that a little bit lighter brown. I'm going to use that to transition. Please excuse the focusing on this camera. The lens is really bad when it comes to focusing, but I'm trying to work on to get a better lens. But the lens is really expensive. It's like 500 euros. So but I'm saving to that. Hopefully I will get it very soon. But I'm gonna take that shade, I'm gonna blend it on top of my eyes. I'm gonna blend it very, I'm gonna try to like focus the lens very well, because I wasn't seeing anything, and so I'm trying to fix everything. So I'm just gonna blend my eyes very well. Just make sure I blend the shadows. You guys can see it's very beautiful. I love it. Super nice. So after I've done that, I'm gonna take that darker shade. I'm going to put it in the outer corner of my eyes, and I'm also gonna put it in the inner corner. Try to blend it towards the transition shade, but I don't want to take it all the way up. Just leave it down and then blend it down, because I'm gonna do like a cut crease. I'm gonna do like a cut crease. So you have to make sure you blend the eyeshadow very nice, so that everything is super blend. As you guys can see what I'm doing, because I'm really poor in explaining details, but hopefully you guys see what I'm doing. I'm just gonna put that in the inner corner and just blend it, like try to, like when you're about to do a cut crease, just like put it right in the eyes and just blend it. I'm going in again with that first brush I used to transition, just to blend everything, because I really don't like to have like an harsh line when you're using eyeshadow. So now I'm going to take this Makeup Revolution Cut Crease Canvas. I'm going to use this to cut. I always like to put a concealer on my eyes and then close my eyes, just to give me like a shape, just to give me to how high my cut crease is supposed to go. Because if I don't do that and I'm done with my makeup and I close my eyes, like it's going all the way up. But when I do this, when I close my eyes, it's not messing up the rest of the shadow. So I'm just gonna take this concealer. I'm just gonna cut my cut crease. This one you have to be very patient while it's cutting your eyes. It's not something you have to do very fast. Take your time and do this. It's not that difficult, but if you do it a couple of times, you will definitely master it. Even though I do cut crease many times, but still when I'm doing cut crease, I need like silence. It's like silence night, and just focus and do it perfectly. But I love the way it comes out, just looking at it to see if everything is good. I'm going to take that darker shade that I use on the outer corner. I'm going to blend the cut crease on the outer corner, just to give you like a really smooth transition, so you guys can see what I'm doing. And it blends super easy. The concealer, this cut crease canvas blends really easy when you put eyeshadow on top of it. I really love it. It is super nice. So now I'm going to take this lighter shade in in this palette. I'm just gonna put this on top of the concealer, just use this to set, so that's going to make it look a little bit lighter. Crease is like a matte shade. I didn't use any shimmery. I love this palette. This palette is so beautiful. You can do so many looks with it. I really, really love it. And it's also something I always like to take with me when I'm traveling, going somewhere. I always grab this palette because I feel like I can do so many looks, because my go-to makeup look tutorial is more like a really simple eyeshadow and then beat the face. Like I like my skin to glow, just slick my hair all back. It just makes me look, when I'm dressed up ready to go, I just look like this runway model because it's so beautiful. I really like it. I love slick back, and I just love to have like this really simple um makeup look and just focus more on the skin. And I really love this palette. This palette's always kind of like my go-to when I'm going somewhere, because I know I can pull some really beautiful and simple look with it. So now I'm just gonna try to blend the darker shade with the lighter shade just to get like a smooth transition, just to make sure everything is smoothly blend. And today we're going to line the eyes. I'm going to use this eyeliner to line my eyes. And with the eyeliner, guys, if you make mistake, that's not a problem. What I always do is I take a concealer when I'm done. If I make mistake, actually on the outer corner, I take concealer and I just shape it really nice, and it always works. And now we're done with the eyes, and then I fix some lashes. As you guys can see, the glue is not properly dry, but this was a struggle, guys. If you guys want me to show you guys how I fix my eyelashes, leave a comment below, because it is a struggle. You guys will laugh. You guys will laugh. Trust me, it's a struggle. So that's the reason why I never really like to show how I fix my lashes. So I'm going to take this Milani liquid illuminator. I really love using liquid illuminator underneath my foundation. And now I'm going to use this Milani concealer and foundation. It's 2-in-1. This is a really beautiful foundation. It's been a while since I used it, but today I decided to play with it because I'm like, you know what, I have this makeup line down. I'm not really using it for a while now. Let's dive into it. And I really love this foundation. It's really, really beautiful. It's super, super nice. I really love the shade, the pigment. I know on the camera everything look a little bit red or dark or too light or something, but in real life, guys, it's perfect. It's a perfect shade. It matches me perfect. I make sure I blend everything really nice. And I'm also going to wear like a choker, like a really black choker, so you're not going to see my neck that much. So yeah, and I try to blend it all the way into the hairline and make sure I don't mess up my baby hair, because that baby hair was a struggle getting it looking like that. Okay, it looks very simple, but you guys don't know how I struggle. Guys, hit that subscribe button if you are watching, if you are so far on the video and you're not a subscriber, please hit that subscribe button, join the team family. So now we're going to take this Milani concealer. It's a little bit dark, as you guys can see. The concealer is a bit darker. It's just as dark as the foundation. But the reason why I love to use darker concealer is because I can lighten it up with a lighting setting powder. So I have that darker setting powder when I use lighter concealer, and I have a lighter setting powder when I use darker concealer. So it's like, just so I don't like that super brightness underneath the eyes. I love everything to look somehow natural, if that makes sense. I like it to look a bit natural, so I don't want that super super bright on the eyes. As you guys can see, now I'm going to use the Essence setting powder. So you guys can see the setting powder is a little bit brighter, so even though I have a dark concealer, it's going to make the using the setting powder is going to make the concealer look really really light, and I love it. It turned out beautiful. I really love it. I don't like using lighter concealer and then lighter setting powder. It just make your under eyes look super light, and that's not my kind of makeup, to be honest. I just like to like mix it. If I use a lighter setting powder, I use a darker concealer, and that's how I do my thing. And I'm just gonna use it to set my face really really nice. I really love it. So now what we're going to do, we're going to take the NYX set eyeshadow again. I'm gonna use that darker shade. I'm gonna use that to underneath my eyes. You guys know the underneath my eyes is super sensitive, and I always have water on my eyes whenever I'm doing the bottom lashes. It's like crazy, but yeah, we managed to do it. We survived it, guys. Subscribe and give this video a thumbs up because that was not funny. You guys know it wasn't funny for me to do the bottom lashes. Is crazy. So now I'm going to take this Makeup Revolution setting powder in F14. I'm gonna use this to set my face. I love the Makeup Revolution setting powder. I have the F14 and the F15, so I'm just gonna take that to wipe off all the excess powder underneath my eyes. So you guys can see the underneath of my eyes was super light, and I didn't actually like it the way it was too light, so I have to go in a little bit with a darker powder with the Makeup Revolution setting powder. Just have to go in a little bit, take a brush that has no product, just blend everything off, just to make everything looks nice. I don't really like that super bright on the eyes. I like it to be natural. So now we're going to take my favorite, is the Elegant contour powder in deep, yo. I'm gonna snatch that cheekbone. Like when I contour my cheekbone and I have my hairstyle or my hair all back and I have my simple makeup look, yo, when I tell you my face snatch makes me look like a runway model, you guys don't believe it, but it's true. Like I really really love this contour powder. It's so pigment. It's really beautiful. I really like it. As you guys can see how snatch my face is. My face is looking snatch. And make sure you blend. I'm gonna blend. This is the key, is blend. Blend. I'm gonna take that lighter shade. I'm gonna do a reverse contour, just to sharpen the cheekbone, just to make the cheekbone stand out a little bit, just to look good. So we're going to do that reverse contour. I like to bring it all the way to my mouth and then just blend everything. Now I'm going to use my Sunkiss bronzer. I love this bronzer. I'm going to use this to bronze, blend it on top of the contour powder and just blend, 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 blend. So now I'm going to use this W7 blush. You guys know I'm not a blush person, but this blush is, you can't see anything on my skin. I'm just blending the blush, the Sunkiss bronzer, the contour, blend everything together, but you can't really see blush. I'm gonna use that Makeup Revolution setting powder. I'm gonna use that to contour my nose because it's not that super dark and you don't really see that really sharp line. Like sometimes I see some pictures of people being contour their nose. I'm like, it's too dark. So I just like to use normal brown powder I use on my face because that makes it more natural. You don't really see that harsh line. So now we're done. Now it's time to wipe off this excess powder. Wipe, when I said wipe, blend everything off. So guys, we're done. Let's jump into the lip. Favorite lipstick, you guys know, is the KIKO lip liner and the KIKO lipstick. So I love this lipstick and this lip liner. This lip liner is my favorite. I'm almost out of this one. I still have some few more lip to do with the lip liner before the lip liner will finish. And yeah, I still have like three more backup. I have backup. I have a lot more with this lip liner, so that is not a problem. But I really love it. It's just gonna make sure I lined my lip. I don't overline my lip because I have a full lip. My lip is full on its own naturally. So if I overline my lip, trust me, you will not see my face anymore. The only thing you see is my lip. So I try to line my lip just precise. I like to blend the lip liner into my lip, blend my lip very nice, and then I'm just gonna take that glossy. This is their matte lipstick. This is the new one I pick up. This is their matte lipstick. This is brown. It's like nude. This was so beautiful. This lipstick, the full lip and the face and the eyes, it was boom. I really love it. It turned out really nice. I really love the look. So I hope you all like this look, and if you guys do, guys, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share this video. Tell me, let me know what you think about this and what part is your favorite. Do you guys like the eyeshadow, the lip the more, the hairstyle? Which one do you guys like the most? And now we're going to take the sleek highlighter. It's been a while since I used the sleek highlighter, so today I decided to dive into it. Like this video, like if you guys just like this video, if you guys like it, like and tell me. The highlighter is popping. You guys see the inner corner of my eyes? OMG, the highlight is very, very beautiful. I really, really like it. Love it. I love playing with this eyeshadow. I can do so many looks with this eyeshadow, trust me. I can do a one eyeshadow makeup look with this palette. I really love this palette. It's one of my favorites. So I hope you all like this video. Thank you guys so much for your love and support. I really, really appreciate it. This is again Amy. Vergeet niet te abonneren. Vergeet mij niet te volgen op mijn Instagram kanaal en op mijn Facebook pagina. You guys see the cheekbone? Like the cheekbone is popping. Like this highlighter is beautiful. It's like really, really beautiful. And we I just love it. I love it. Sometimes you don't need expensive makeup. The cheap one is also very good. And then we're going to use the Milani setting spray to set the look. See you guys on my next video. And this again, Amy. Is the finished result on this makeup look. I hope you all like this video. If you guys do, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and share. Don't forget to follow me on my Instagram, my Facebook like page. All the links will be down in the description box for more pictures. Tell me what you think about this look. I would really like to know your opinion in the comment box. See you guys in my next video. Vergeet niet te abonneren en vergeet mij niet te volgen op mijn Instagram, op mijn Facebook pagina. Alle links is in de description box. Laat mij weten wat je van deze make-up look vindt. En zie ik jullie op mijn volgende video. This is your girl Emmy. Doei!